Hello once again, fourth graders, and welcome to our final session, session number 20 of our fourth grade Unit 4, the literary essay, Writing About Fiction. Today is a day to celebrate and to reflect on what we have done as writers, really not only just for this Unit 4, but you could say for the entire year of our fourth grade writing. We are going to focus, though, for our reflection and celebration here on this unit as we have finished up the last three bends of our fourth unit, the literary essay unit. Today, for your writing celebration and reflection, we'd like you to share with your teacher in your writing journal some ideas that you have taken away from the last several weeks of our writing. What are some takeaways? I would say let's come up with at least 3 or 4 different things that you have learned about your writing over the last many weeks that we've had our fourth unit. Really, almost the entire fourth quarter of our writing time. What I'd like you to do is elaborate, write these down and reflect on these in your writing journal as you celebrate and reflect on all of the great things that you have been doing. Certainly look back at your writing pieces that you have done over the last several weeks. Put down some great ideas in your journal and then share them with your teacher. I want to congratulate you. It's been a great time working with you on your writing, and I hope that you feel that you've improved your writing from the very beginning of our school year to this point. So again, thank you for working as hard as you did on your writing. And this is a special day. This is a day to definitely celebrate and reflect. So I'd like you to do that reflection in your journal today by writing down at least 3 or 4 ideas of things you have learned about your writing this year, in particular the last quarter. All right, once again, congratulations. It's time to celebrate.